Assalamualaikum and hi, Ishaq. My group Nur Farhan Fatia binti Muhammad Ashrul and Fatih Yasmin Fakir binti Muhammad Mustafa would like to present how we digitizing our map in ArcGIS. Okay. First of all, this is how we digitizing our map based on the map given by Encik Ishaq. First of all, we would like add data from my computer, and we find the file that where we put the maps. Then after that the map will load it, and as you can see, that's how the map that have been given from Ishaq. So as you can see, this scale of map is one with 10,000 scale, and the area that we covered is Salat Selatan, and this is how I digitizing my map. We have to find 4 control point at the map, and I put the rectangle as to guide how I find my coordinate, my point, excuse me. And this is for my first point, and it's between the coordinate that given. So the coordinate that have been stated at the maps is by DMS. Then we have to change it to decimal degrees, and I already calculated it. I already convert it to decimal degrees. Okay, next we're going to add another focus point, and the same thing I do. Like I would like to first I will zoom in first, and then I would like to add the rectangle to guide as a guidance for finding the point between the coordinate that have been given in the map. And for my second point, I will doing the same thing, and this is for georeferencing. My mistake from now stating earlier, I would like to input x and y, the same thing that I do from my first point. I already convert it to decimal degrees in it. After I done converted it, okay, I put my coordination, and then it's good, but we have to zoom to layer, then the maps is pop up again. Okay, the same thing, I zoom in for my third point. I zoom in at the nearest area at the coordinate, and I'll repeat the same thing. I add the rectangle as my reference, as my guidance, then poof, okay, there you are. And then I would like to add point. Back again, doing the same thing because it's have some error. Okay, so yeah. Okay, never mind, it's already like that. Okay, so I add point for my third point, then it put x and y 1 0 1 7, then put the y. Okay, alright, that's all. And then I delete the rectangle, the existing rectangle, and then zoom out, zoom to layer. Yeah, zoom to layer, Okay, zoom to layer and then zoom in again, back again at last point for our georeferencing to log the coordinate of our map. Okay, rectangle, I add rectangle as my guidance and then ding dong. Okay, alright, there you are. Okay, put x and y, same coordinate that have been converted from decimal decimal minute second to decimal degrees. Okay, so ta-da, zoom to layer first and then yeah, that our unit have been logged as a referencing, so we have to rectify and then we choose the folder that we want to put. Okay, GIS video. Okay, I would like to add in this file. Okay, so I would like to rename the file. Oh, there's some error here. Okay, now that's how you do. And then make sure the format of the our rectified maps is TIFF, GIS data video 1. Okay, okay, then it's too long enough to. Okay, then we are done with our rectified maps. Okay, we remove the existing layers, then we add data that we already rectified, that GIS data 1 data video. Okay, that's okay. Alright, just put okay. Then we're gonna define the projection of the maps. So we go first, we're gonna click the arc toolbox there and then click data management tools and then we choose the projection and transformation and then define projection. Input the document that we want to define projection. No, wait. Okay, it's so long. So I choose the wrong folder. It should be GIS data 1, the TIFF 1 folder, and then coordinate system, I choose geographic coordinate system, and then for Asia, and then find the Kertau RSO1. Okay, that's one. You can click OK and then OK. Then wait for a minute and until it stop loading. Okay, there you go. Okay, zoom to layer first. Okay, so okay. So as you can see, there is the different projection have been do. Then we see the properties of the maps. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, the special reference Kertau RSO. Okay, done. That's for define projection of the maps. And as you can see, the decimal degrees. The units of the maps have been logged to decimal degrees with the coordinate. Okay, next I would like to add on the shapefile. Okay, click the folder and then new and add the shapefile. Okay, for example, we're gonna do building, then choose the polygon as the, and then edit the coordinate system. Still we're gonna use the geographic coordinate system that we used earlier to define projection of the maps. Kertau RSO, and then click OK, and then OK, then ta-da, there you go. That's the shape of all the buildings. This is how we're gonna do the building. We're gonna tracing the maps of the building. Okay, choose the color of the building. Okay, then tracing the map. Start editing, continue, then click the features, and then rectangle. Okay, then ta-da. Okay, done. That's how I do the build. I trace the building. Okay, all right. Okay, next, we're gonna stop editing and save it. First save edit and then stop editing. Then we're gonna add a new shapefile for another features. The same thing, we click the folder and then add new and then choose shapefile. Next, we're gonna put highway for our next feature that we're gonna trace on the map. So choose the polyline because highway is polyline, and then yeah, we just convert the building 1, the coordinate system of building 1. Okay, then okay, Kertau RSO, edit. Okay, so I'm gonna find zoom. Okay, close the catalog and then zoom to layer. Next, we're gonna start. We're gonna zoom in to start. Okay, editor, start editing. Click continue. Make sure the building and the highway is already there. And then click the highway 1 and the line, then start tracing. Okay, that's how a trace line features. And right, double click to finish the part. Okay, then continue another side of the highway, another side of road. Okay, alright, and done. We are done here. Okay, that's all from me and my group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.